The Rust 1.72.1 patch release was released on September 19th, 2023. What have we got today? Bug fixes. Number 1. Rust 1.72.0 had some new code generation to use vectorization when copying small byte arrays. Unfortunately, this could occasionally slow down performance by up to nearly 50% when the size of the byte array was not a power of 2. So this approach is now only used when the size of the byte array is a power of 2. Number 2. Generating documentation for type aliases to complicated generic dyn trait objects like this could cause RustDoc to crash when generating documentation. This has been fixed, so if you've been holding back on aliasing your generic dyn trait objects, you can go ahead now. Number 3, a bug fix for some old compiler errors also inadvertently caused exponential increases to compile time for some async code with heavily nested futures. This has been fixed, so code compiles fast again, and the compiler errors are still fixed, which is the best of both worlds. Number 4, a compiler crash that could sometimes occur when compiling async wrapper functions has been fixed. Number 5, sometimes a really complicated generic trait implementation could cause compiler crashes due to unconstrained region variables, which is apparently a thing the compiler keeps track of. This has also been fixed. And that's it for today. Short and sweet. Like and subscribe if you want more videos like this.